Guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Miliana Kenya. Welcome back, and guys, please please subscribe, like, share, and comment. Don't forget to subscribe. I'm waiting for you guys to subscribe and share, comment, and please leave a like and remember to hit that notification bell. Yeah. So guys, today's another day, new day, remember, and I'm here just to make this hair. Yeah, guys, I just want to make sure I finish this hair. I just want to make sure I finish this hair. And guys, I'm sitting on the floor. You know, guys, as you can see this, how do we call this? Please, if you know how to, I normally call it teddy bear, but I know that's not its name. And look, I don't have any place to put so that I can make a hair. So I have to, uh, yeah, I have to just to sit down like this on the floor, and then I hold it by myself, by my legs like this. Yeah, like that, and then I make sure I make this hair very beautiful, and until I finish. I know I'm not going to finish it today because I have a lot to do. No, guys, I'm doing this the time that I don't have anything to do, but I have a lot to do today. So I'm just making this hair, and I'm sure I'm not going to finish today. So yeah, so guys, I just want to show you how I normally make. And guys, I know how to make every style, and this was the only hardest style. It was the only hard style for me to make. And guys, now I have started to know it. You can see here in Kenya we call it Obama. We call this Obama, this style, and now I can see that I can make it. And guys, that's nice, and I'm happy. I'm so excited. Yeah, because guys, when I'm having customers to make hair, they most customers always tell me to make Obama style, and yeah, and I think now I can do it. Yeah. So guys, everything it's slowly, one by one, and guys, yeah. So guys, as I told you in the previous video that um, I started practicing to make hair on this. Yeah, so, and my boss is the one who bought me this teddy bear. Let me call it teddy bear because I normally call it by that, like that. Yeah, so it was last year on January when my boss bought me this. And guys, yeah, I thank God that now I know how to make every style, and I'm the one who always make the kids inside here every style, and I thank God. So guys, please comment and please hit the notification bell, and please subscribe, like, share, and let us support each other. Yeah, thank you so much, and have a lovely day as we continue making this hair. Bye. Started by combing. Yeah, guys, I started by combing, and after combing, then I start with braidening. And now guys, this style here in Kenya we call it Obama. Yeah, and I don't know if where you are, I don't know how you call it, but here I call it doing it, and that's how I always do. And guys, remember this style to make it because it's not easy for someone to make this style. It's too hard. Learning here in the house, and yeah, sorry guys. Yeah, and now guys, you can see after learning can make it. And don't mind about the space because just a teddy bear, I'm just trying to make. Yeah, and for that, and really appreciate. Yeah, so guys, thank you so much, and let us continue. So guys, how I normally do this, and yeah, this is what I normally do. Have time, I work here, but guys, this is my all my service. I always do this at my free time, and you can see, yeah, and guys, I can do it. Yeah, so guys, if you're out there and you feel like you want to do this, you can just practice. Yeah, practice makes perfect as usual. And yeah, I thank God that now um yeah guys, and I'm happy with that. And please don't forget to subscribe. Please subscribe and remember to like, share, comment. Please, I need to hear from you something. Yeah, and when you subscribe, don't forget the notification bell, and I'm going to appreciate. Yeah, thank you so much, guys. And please tell your families, your friends to subscribe for Miliana Kenya. And guys, it's a big to me. You can see that maybe that's nothing, but for me, it's a big. Yeah, thank you so much, my family. Thank you so my people, my beautiful people, my beautiful family. I really appreciate, and I will always appreciate that anyone does for me. And guys, it's a big deal, and I will always appreciate. As you can see, I'm so excited, and I'm happy to do this. Yeah, I'm happy to do this, and I'm willing to know every style, everything, so that I can maybe have my own salon, yeah, my own beauties. And guys, yeah, I know one day I'll make this. Yeah, so guys, thank you so much, and time for this, and please watching. Please just watch until the end. Yeah, watch until the end, and never forget to subscribe. Yeah, subscribe, comment, like, share, and hit the notification bell, and I'm going to appreciate it. Yeah, much. Guys, this is for those who are beginning. Yeah, this is for beginners. And if you are there and you are beginning starting to learn how to do hair, how to do hairstyle, and it's too hard for you, please don't stop. Yeah, just continue, guys. Yeah, guys, continue and saying continue wrong. Continue, guys, to do that. And I'm going to appreciate. Don't stop, okay? Just continue and allow yourself to pull up your socks, please, please, please. And when you are doing something, put all your effort. Make it. Don't stop and don't give up. Everything is possible. For him who believe, everything's possible for everyone who believe. If you are doing something, believe in it with your all effort, and believe that you are going to make it. You are going to go far. Okay? Okay, continue watching.